Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you what are the Python dictionaries and their explanation. So first of all you have to know the dictionaries definition in Python. So it used to store data values in key value pairs. It is a collection of which in ordered, changeable and do not allow duplicates. Now go to for the practical term. So here the practical things. We declared the variable name is people's description, which carry some dictionarized value which is or some value which is name Ayesha, age 28, nationality is Bangladeshi. If we play this run and it will show these things. So it is called the dictionary way. Then if you want to print the specific things like run name, again is the name and it will print the Ayesha. Again if we print not name, another thing is print it will only 28. See 28. So in this way again we print something or the next thing what nationalities. It will print only the Bangladeshi. See? Now the duplicates not allowed. Here we write the two duplicate value in this variable. So it will printed only the last thing, not the before thing. Click. Nationalities India and nationalities Bangladesh will not print because it will not allow the duplicate value. Then length, how many length it has run? 3. So 3 how come? It take only the 3 value, name, age and the last one is nationalities. If we press this and this, then it will print 2. Only 2 things has need come. See 3 things. 3 as because the duplicates value here it will take only the last thing. Now the dictionary items actually it's describe the data types, what kinds of data it is, and this is data. If we print the type, see this is the dict type, that means dictionary type. The last one is dictionary constructor. Here we know the definition of constructor, construct something. How? The peoples we declare and it dictionary we also declare the data type and the value will read right here and the things printed this. So this structure is called the dictionary constructor structure. So thank you for this tutorial. So please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you too much.